Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received May's base box from Boxycharm. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so May's base box just arrived. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. This one seems pretty heavy. I will get my weight and put down in the description box, so I know you guys like to know what the weight is, but I didn't check first. So let's see, it feels kind of hefty. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. Let's see if we have a card, because my premium I had no card. Okay, so now that we do not have a card, I'm just gonna have to show you the items. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this is the actual item that I chose. This was the only thing that I figured that I would maybe use between the choices. So this is the Hollywood, California Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And that is what the packaging looks like. So this is the item that I did choose for this month. It says, apply an even layer to clean skin. Leave on for 10 minutes for best results. Tissue off and smooth in the excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry. Well, that's actually better, because my thing is with these, I don't like having to go and try to wash my face, because I end up making more of a mess washing my face off in the sink than anything. So with this one, if you can just use a tissue to wipe the most of it off and then just kind of like pat in the rest, I actually will try that then. So I'm more excited about this item now. And then on the inside, this looks like either it leaked through the threads, or this has already been open at least a time or two, because there's stuff all over the outside of both. And if it's brand new and it's not sealed, it shouldn't have stuff dripping already all on the sides, right? I don't know, that's a little disturbing. That is already crud like all through the threading, but that's what it looks like inside. It looks like yogurt. It smells like yogurt. It smells like a berry, like a raspberry, blueberry yogurt. I'm just a little thrown off by the threading part, because it shouldn't look like that when you first open it, but there's that. So then next we have is an item by Pretty Vulgar, and I always love their packaging. Pretty Vulgar has some cute packaging, and this is an eyeshadow primer. So we have an eyeshadow primer. I normally do not use eyeshadow primers, but now that I have it, I'll try it and see if I see any type of a difference. So then next we have is a plant-based vegan daily concept, individuals who think in the shower shampoo bar. Okay, shower the world with love. And it says, your hair will love the daily concept shampoo bar. This plant-based shampoo bar has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic, a simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the oceans or landfills with more plastic bottles. I mean, I get the concept, but I don't use shampoo bars, so I'll just show you, and I'll set this aside. So it is a shampoo bar. I like my lather. I like getting things in and filling a lather than using like a bar, but that's just my own personal opinion. So next we have is some makeup remover wipes. We have Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Removes even waterproof mascara, and there's 25 towelettes inside here. I'll try it. Most makeup wipes do not remove mascara or my eyeliner, so I use my makeup eraser, and then I use a cleanser. So, I mean, I'll try it, but makeup wipes are not my makeup wipes, right? And then the last item in here is this. It says Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. Distributed by Studio Makeup. So that must be the name, Studio Makeup. I've never heard of that brand before. If you guys have heard about them, I haven't heard about them. So this is a palette. There's no box or sleeve. It's just by itself. And that is what it looks like. It has those small pans that I always tell you guys that I don't like, and it has a lot of colors that I have in several of my palettes. So to me, that's just not, it's not doing much for me. So I'll pass this down and hopefully somebody else will enjoy it. But It just looks a little boring, and for Boxycharm, I know they can put in a way better palette than this one. I don't know. If I had a card and told me like how much this was or more information, that might be a little bit different, but we don't. And I know somebody had said I can go and download the card or see the card online or something, but I don't know that I don't have a card until I'm already filming, and I'm already filming. So I do first impressions. So I don't know. I don't have a card or anything like that, but I will put the weight of this box down below in the description box because I know some of you guys like to know the weight of them. But that is all. That's that. If you guys did watch my Ipsy versus Ipsy glam bag video that I had just posted on Monday, I got the little Space, I think it was Space Cosmetics, like a single shadow, and I was like, oh, that would look so pretty. Like, I think it would look really pretty as a lower lid shade. And that is actually what I have on my lower lids today. So I actually do like it. So I'm really glad that I got it. I wanted to tell you that I did use it today, and I actually liked it. I used it with my Too Faced matte palette because they're all mattes. So I used the browns on top, and then I used that lighter one on my lower lid. So there's that little bit of information for you. So this box is $25 per month with free shipping. I do feel that what is all here is worth the $25. It's just I'm a little thrown off by these two items being in a Boxycharm box, and I don't know anything about this palette, but I'm actually now more excited to try this, and I will give this a try just to see what it'll do. So the only thing I'm really excited about are these, and I normally don't use these kind of products. So I'm going to now try something different. So that is everything that I have for you guys. This was everything that was in this box. Let me know, are we box twins? Did you get a card? Did you not get a card? Did you have some similar items? Did you have completely different items? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, because I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.